Today we will learn some action words. They are called verbs. What I say, you will do that. Sit down. Stand up. Jump. Stop. Walk. Stop. Run. Stop. Run to the front. Go backward. Raise your hands. Put down your hands. Clap your hands. Stop. Show your teeth. Clap. Laugh. Laugh. Eat. Drink. Stop. Open your book. Read. Stop. Open your notebook. Write down your name. Give your notebook to me. Go to your seat. Sit down. Thanks. In next class, we will practice more and more action verbs in the next. More action words in next class. Pray to your God. Have your prayer. Stop. Today we will finish our class. We start our class next day. Go to your class.